So, you've been diligently growing your acorns, right? You've watched your little investments sprout and flourish, and now, it's time to reap the rewards. But hold on a sec, there's a burning question on everyone's mind. How long does it actually take to withdraw your hard-earned cash from Acorns? Let's dive in and uncover the truth. First off, it's important to understand that there's a difference between withdrawing from your Acorns checking account and your investment accounts. It's like comparing apples to oranges. Let's break it down. If you're dealing with your Acorns checking account, the good news is that it's pretty straightforward. Think of it as your regular bank account. You can usually withdraw your money within 1 to 3 business days. It's like ordering pizza, you don't have to wait a week for it to arrive. But here's the catch, if your Acorns checking account is brand new, like a fresh-faced college grad, it might take a bit longer for your withdrawals to process. We're talking about 3 to 5 business days. It's like waiting for your first paycheck, the anticipation is real. Now, let's talk about the fun part, withdrawing from your investment accounts. This is where things get a little more complex. It's like trying to catch a butterfly, you gotta be patient. When you request a withdrawal from your Acorns Invest, early, or later accounts, Acorns has to sell your shares first. It's like converting your stock into cold, hard cash. And that takes time. We're talking about 3 to 6 business days. But here's the kicker, the timing of your withdrawal request matters. If you're a morning person and you make your request before the stock market opens, you might be in luck. Your withdrawal could be processed on the same day. But if you're a night owl and you hit that withdraw button after the market closes, you'll have to wait until the next market day. And that's not all. After Acorns sells your shares, there's a mandatory waiting period of 2 business days before they can finalize your withdrawal. It's like a little timeout to catch your breath. So, to sum it up, withdrawing from your Acorns checking account is relatively quick, while withdrawing from your investment accounts takes a bit longer. Remember, patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to investments. But hey, let's be real. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. While it might be tempting to cash out your gains at the first sign of profit, it's important to consider the long-term picture. Remember, the stock market is like a roller coaster, it goes up, it goes down. Withdrawing frequently can impact your overall investment returns. It's like taking money out of your piggy bank every time you want a candy bar. Sure, you get instant gratification, but you're also hindering your long-term savings goals. So, before you hit that withdraw button, take a deep breath and ask yourself if you really need the money now. If you can afford to leave your investments alone, you're giving them a better chance to grow. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.